We are up in the Amanas Mountains. This is a large lake we've been fishing for Arctic Char, and it's been amazing. I've been fishing for like 1 hour and caught 10 Arctic Char, close to a kilo. We've been sighting this small stream down here, and it holds some char. We just walked past it earlier, but now the plan is to catch one. It'll be amazing to show this on video. This is so cool. Okay, let's do this. Gonna put down my backpack and just go for the 5-weight scissor rod, the floating Onky 110 line, 0.19 tippet, and a tiny nymph. Sight fishing, just put it right on top of the fish. I'm gonna be sneaking very carefully here. Just my goal is to go to that bush, and from there I can fish pretty much all directions. It's so windy though. That's the challenge today. I only have one day here. It's a windy one, but still I caught 10 Arctic Char today. So amazing. So let's see. Taking the fly. Just put it out into the water. Can't really see the takes very well, so I'm gonna try and do it on the dry fly. There's no rising fish here. My favorite char fly is with dry is an Arctic Char Creek. I have one. Took the dry fly. No. It's so freaking strong. Whoa, falling here. Whoa. Look, there's moving char all over the place. Oh. Heart is pumping so bad now. That's so gorgeous. Hello, I have company here. Yeah, I have a char on. Yeah, that's so amazing. I took it on the dry fly. So amazing. They're just packed down here. They're not cooperative. It's very hard to lift these guys because they're never still. Fly is just in the outer lip. They're right there, so be careful. I sneaked out here. Fly is loose. Here's the char. Gorgeous fish. It's so fat I can barely hold it. Oh, bye. There's fish over a kilo there. You mean 2 over kilo or 2 kilo? 2 kilo. can find words for this. Such a small stream. This is Samuel, my guide for today. Just taking me to this really small stream, and they're parked right in that corner. There's only one kind of fish here, and it's one of my favorites, the Arctic char. So crazy. Okay, we're gonna have a look at the school of char. I'm gonna put this camera